Hi students, welcome back to Max class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is coordinate geometry. So you already studied in class 9 coordinate geometry and how will you plot the points on a Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Here we are going to discuss, first one is distance formula. Distance formula. Then where we are applying this formula, distance formula, from the word itself, for finding the distance between 2 points. For finding the distance between 2 points. So we are applying distance formula in for finding the distance between 2 points. Then what is distance formula? Let us derive the formula. What is distance formula? So usually we know horizontal axis, what we called it as x-axis, and vertical axis we called it as y-axis, intersecting the point, that is origin. Then original point usually we are denoted as ordered pair 0 0. Then this point I am taking, so the point A I am taking, so this point is A, and this point A I called it as x1 y1, and the point B taken as point B I am taken as ordered pair x2 comma y2. Point B I am taken as ordered pair x2 comma y2. Then we want to find the distance between these 2 points, that is A and B. We want to find the distance between these 2 points A and B. A and B. We want to find the distance between these 2 points A and B. So how will you find out? No, we want to draw perpendicular from B on x-axis. We want to draw perpendicular line from this point B, B on x-axis and A on x-axis. So we want to draw perpendicular from B to x-axis, B to x-axis. So I am drawing perpendicular, and from the point A also I am drawing a perpendicular line on x-axis. Then that I called it as, this point is C and this is D. From point A we are drawing perpendicular line, that is AC on x-axis. From point B also I am drawing perpendicular line, that is BD on x-axis. Then after that join AP, join A to P, intersect BD at P. So join AP, intersect BD at P. From the point A also I am drawing perpendicular line. From the point A also I am drawing perpendicular line. So join AP, intersecting BD, Here now whether I called it as the distance, and up to this O to C, and this point is x1, and O to C, the distance OC is x1, and distance OD, how much is the x coordinates, that is here it is x2, so distance from O to D, that is x2. Distance from O to D, that we call it as x2. Distance of O to D, from O to D. Here the point B, x coordinate is x2, so distance from O to D, that is x2, and here the point A, x coordinate is x1, so the distance from O to this point C, that is x1. Then same way we can find out what is the distance of BP, and what is the distance of BD. Then what is the distance of AC? What is the distance of AC? Here it is a perpendicular line from y-axis. So here we are drawing perpendicular from this point A to x-axis. So this distance, here y coordinate is y1. So distance of AC is y1. And it is a rectangular shape. It is a rectangular shape, that is APDC is a rectangle, and these angles are 90, and it is y1. So length of PD is also y1. Length of PD is also y1. Length of AC is y1 because the point A x coordinate y coordinate is y1. So length of AC is y1. So the same distance PD is also y1. And length of this BD become, here y coordinate is y2. So length of the BD become y2. Length of BD become y2. Length of BD becomes y2. Then length of BD is y2 and length of PD is y1. Then we can find out this distance BP, that is BD minus PD, that is y2 minus y1. So this distance become y2 minus y1, that is length of BP become y2 minus y1. Then BD minus PD, that is length of BP. And same way we can find out length of AP also. Length of AP also we can find out. Length of AP means OD minus OC. So OD, O to D, distance from O to D, that is x2, then O to C, that is x1. So distance of CD become x2 minus x1. It is x2 minus x1, so it is also x2 minus x1. That is length of AP is also x2 minus x1. Then it is a right angle triangle, that is triangle APB. In right triangle APB, by using Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle APB by using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. That is AB square. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. That is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. Then we can substituting the value, length of AP, that is x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus length of BP, that is y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 the whole square, that is equal to AB the whole square, that is AB square. So AB equal to, and this square transpose right side, it will become square root. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And this formula is called distance formula. Distance between two points. That is the point A as ordered pair x1, y1 and point B as ordered pair x2, y2. We want to find the distance between from A to this point, that is AB. So AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.